All right, let's talk about customizing number formats. Like you have this, and then maybe you want the score, which people who score above 10 to be like a thumbs up, and if you score below 10 to be like thumbs down. So you can customize it using any kind of format you want, but in this case we just want to do like to customize number format. We want this anyone that is below or above this to show us this kind of color. So what we need to do is that you just need to, like, this is a random name of maybe student and then score. So you see here you have number here to here. You can make it as many as numbers as you want. So all you just need to is to select all of them, then you press Ctrl 1, press Ctrl plus 1, and then you go to customization here. Now I'm going to bring this a bit close to you. So you go to customization here, customize, then under here you have general. So all you need to do is you start with a list, and let's assume we want to use 40 or 50. Okay, let's use 50. So you have 50. Any number that is greater than 50 from what you selected, then close it in a list like the same way. Open another one, then you call the color. So let's use color, since green is color 10, so let's use color 10, and then we close it up down, and then we use hash here. Then you say if this number is above 50, then give me a choice like a thumbs up. So in our case we need to customize it. So press window plus full stop on your keyboard, and that's going to bring you here, bringing the emoji. So press thumbs up. You can use any other color, but let's put thumbs up. So you do the same thing again, then you continue, because this one you put semicolon, and then you continue with again, open up again. Otherwise, anyone that is not more than that, so you go with color. Let's use red, since red is color 3. So you put on the red here, and then you put the same thing, hash key, and then what else do you need to do? You put the thumbs down. To put thumbs down, then press window and full stop again. You can look for thumbs down. So you type thumbs, and then I can see thumbs down here, and I will click on it. And then once that is done, and then you can press OK. So with this you should be able to have this. Now let me give you example. So let me put a random number here, and then let me also put a random number here, and then let me drag from here to explain what I'm trying to say. So if I press Ctrl 1, and then I go to the same place and go to the customize, and come down here to where you have general, and then let's say that any number that is start again, any number that is greater than 30, for example, you close it up and then say give me color, and then close it again, and then you want it to be in what kind of format. So like I said, you can press window and full stop, and let me use heart, and then you put semicolon, and then start again with the color again and type the color. Otherwise, let's still use color 3 that we used earlier, and we close it up, and then you press hash, and then this time let's also go to window and then full stop, and then let's look for a color like heart. So let's type heart here, looking for something like that. So this appears my heart, for example, and once this is done, I click OK, and this comes in. So if you have another number like 23, and then you have 456, and then 9, and then 5, 10, 0, 100, you can see 45. So this goes into this particular format. So this is a way you can customize this. If you click on this, you're able to see that there is nothing here. You can see it's not like a folder format, because you customize this particular place. So anytime you put any of this number, it shows here. So this appears my heart, let's say put 200, and then that's good one. So I love you, I heart you. So this is just a perfect way of getting that done perfectly. So this is a way you can put it up, and then be ensure that those colors are showing up the way it is, and then this is how you can actually customize number format. So if you have any question, you can go ahead and ask.